Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a collagen face mask at home. This easy guide will help you achieve glowing skin. Collagen is vital for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity, and a homemade mask can provide these benefits directly. You'll notice improved hydration, a reduction in the appearance of fine lines, and an overall smoother, more youthful complexion with regular application. It's a simple, effective way to boost your skincare routine. Gathering your ingredients is the first step to a radiant complexion. You'll need just a few common items. Start with 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder, which is the base for our collagen boost. Next, prepare 2 tablespoons of warm water or your favorite herbal tea like chamomile to dissolve the gelatin. For extra hydration and a lovely glow, add 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Finally, a few drops of a skin-friendly essential oil, such as lavender, will enhance the mask's benefits. Now, let's mix and apply your mask for maximum effectiveness. In a small bowl, combine the 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder with the 2 tablespoons of warm liquid, stirring continuously until the gelatin completely dissolves and the mixture is smooth. Then, incorporate the 1 teaspoon of honey and your chosen essential oil, blending everything thoroughly. Once cooled slightly, apply an even layer to your clean, dry face, avoiding the delicate eye and lip areas. Allow the mask to work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. After the recommended time, it's time to reveal your refreshed skin. You can gently peel off the mask if it is set firmly, or simply rinse it away with warm water using a soft cloth. Pat your face dry and immediately follow up with your favorite hydrating moisturizer to lock in all the benefits. For optimal results, incorporate this collagen mask into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Any unused mixture can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.